a brand new KDP tool just launched, and this one is quite different from the usual puzzle book generators. Instead of creating another word search Sudoku or generic puzzle book, this tool is designed to create story-driven mystery logic puzzles complete with suspects, clues, rooms, solutions, and even the book layout. And the really interesting part, the software actually verifies the puzzle has one solution. So what exactly is Shigai Royalty? It's a cloud-based tool designed for creating Murdoku-style whodunit puzzle books. The basic idea is pretty clever. You have a mystery, a group of suspects, different rooms, and a series of clues. The reader uses logic to figure out who was where and ultimately who the culprit is. The software handles the complicated part for you. Now here's why I think this is interesting for KDP publishers. The concept combines two familiar ideas, a murder mystery with a logic puzzle. So instead of simply solving a Sudoku, the reader is actually trying to solve a case. That gives you a completely different type of puzzle book concept to explore. And creating one is surprisingly straightforward. You start by choosing your settings. You can select from 5 difficulty levels from easy all the way up to dragon. You can also choose grid sizes ranging from 6 by 6 to 16 by 16. Then you can customize your cost, your rooms, and other elements of the mystery. And once you're ready, you simply click generate. The engine creates the case, the clues, the hints, and the solution walkthrough. And the puzzle is then mathematically verified to have exactly one solution. But the puzzle generator isn't the only thing here. Shigai Royalty also includes a KDP page designer, so you can work with margins, fonts, trim sizes, legends, and other layout elements. There's also bulk generation, which is designed to help create an entire book rather than generating every puzzle individually. You get print-ready PDF and high-resolution PNG exports, and the system supports 8 languages including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, and Polish. There are also 2 artwork styles included: illustrated and flat avatar. And here's another part I like about the concept. You're not necessarily limited to creating a paperback for Amazon KDP. The same exports can also be used for printable products, so you could potentially create a mystery puzzle book for KDP and use the same type of content for printable products on marketplaces like Etsy. Of course, you still need to do your own market research, create good listings, and actually market your products. The tool doesn't guarantee sales. And because this is still in the launch period, there are also some new features that caught my attention. First, voice control. You can give spoken instructions like changing the grid size, difficulty, or cost. Second, custom characters. You can name your own suspects and give them roles that fit your mystery. And third, you can swap furniture and objects inside the rooms while the system re-verifies the puzzle. So you're not just changing the appearance. The logic is checked again after the changes. There are also launch bonuses including a PDF page mover, KDP keyword finder, description helper, QR book generator, and a KDP research and niche tool. So, is Shigai Royalty worth looking at? I think the most interesting part isn't simply that it can generate puzzle pages. It's the fact that it tackles a type of puzzle that can be much harder to create manually. Because you need the clues and logic to actually work, the verified solution system, the KDP page designer, bulk generation, and the ability to create different mystery themes make this worth investigating if you are already publishing puzzle books on KDP. But remember, this is a tool, not a shortcut to guaranteed income. You still need to research the market, create quality books, optimize your listings, and build a catalog. If you want to check out Shigai Royalty while the launch is still active, I'll leave the link below this video. And if you want me to actually test the tool and create a complete mystery puzzle book with it, let me know in the comments.